it can be like another color. You can cut to make another color. 2, 3, 4. This can be the end. Just
It's not necessarily a bow. It's a